Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you all around Disney Springs' newest resort, the Drury Inn. It's a game changer. You'll see. Let's get started. The Drury Plaza Hotel is Disney Springs' newest hotel. So first of all, who doesn't love new? Everything is going to be modern and sleek and updated. This is the only Disney Springs hotel that offers free breakfast, free dinner, and get this guys, 3 free adult beverages per adult guest stayed in the room per night. You are not going to get that at any other Disney Springs hotel. So that's already a huge savings for your next Disney vacation. And the guest service is by far the best.
Hello there, welcome
Hi.
to Drury Plaza Hotel. How are you?
I'm doing great. This place it looks beautiful so far.
We just opened 42 days ago.
Well, I've been wanting to stay here. I love staying in a new place. So.
How do you hear about us?
I was driving by a few times. I come here once to Disney every month, and I kept driving by it, seeing it, and then I saw a bunch of people talking about it on YouTube, and it looks so nice.
It's a great company. It's a family-owned business actually. They have more than 150 hotels in 26 states.
Wow. Well, everybody has said nothing but good things about it. I love the fact that you get the kickback, dinner and snack kind of dinner, and you get 3 drinks a night, and you get breakfast.
That's why we don't do any advertising, which is why they save that money to do the amenities for the guests.
Very smart.
It's a great place.
Yes.
Hope you enjoy your stay, man.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
Hi, Megan.
Hi, Megan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Whoa, awesome. Huh? Okay. So far, so good. Welcome to our room at Drury Inn. So when you walk in the room, you have a closet here and your ironing board, and then your iron is way back there. You see it? Over here you have your safe to keep all of your millions of dollars. And microwave. I like the fact they have a microwave because you don't usually get a microwave in a Disney, Disney room. And here is the refrigerator. It's pretty cool. You already went and got our ice. Over here you have your coffee maker. No, you're not gonna get Joffrey's because it's an official Disney hotel, but it's not, I don't know. But anyway, you have this fun wall art here.
I like the pictures.
Yeah, you look at here. And then you have an extra sink outside the bathroom, which that will be good for us. So we have 2, the mirror. And then over here you have these barn doors. I'm going to close it for you. And now I'm going to open.
Nice and smooth.
Yes. Is there a lock on the door? Okay, well, you just got to tell people. Don't come in the bathroom because I don't see a lock. Over here is your vanity. I like the light up mirror. And I remember seeing some of the other videos and I did not see a magnifying mirror. So I brought my own.
Very good.
And over here we got a stand-up shower. And there's our shower, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Okay, makes us feel like at home at a Disney resort because it's bolted to the wall. But then over here we get, okay, that's your body lotion. And your soap and your royal throne. Let's see. I would call this a hairdryer. It's not the best, but I brought my own hairdryer. Did you bring yours?
Yes, I brought mine. I always bring my own hair.
And then you get a flat iron with the room.
Ah!
Just kidding. This is my sister's flat iron.
Doesn't come with that.
Alright, so here we got a king room. We could not, it was too late to get a room with 2 queen beds. unless we got the suite and we paid a lot more money for it. So let me turn this down. We got this king room, Yeah. You can sit here and be really important. You can do your work, or you can do a little turn like this. Hi, Disney World. Okay. And over here you have 2 outlets, USB port. What is that? USB-C and USB. That's always good. And you can tell it's a modern room. A nice, lovely lamp over here, and this little ancient piece of history called a landline phone. Nobody uses that anymore, do they? And we didn't get a room with Disney Springs view or anything in the pool view, but we got this lovely view of Orlando, and you can see our reflection.
Yeah.
And we have, let's see, do you notice anything out here? It's
a little bigger.
I see the little tiny, it looks like contemporary.
Can't really tell on the video.
That would be the DoubleTree. Can't see anything tonight. Maybe we'll see it better tomorrow. You get this lovely floor lamp here. Turn it on. And you get these 2 lovely chairs with this table here.
Look at the stuff they have.
And what I really like about this resort is you get kickback. So you get a free, like a dinner snack kind of thing, but I think you could make it a dinner if you like, which is awesome. And each adult in the room gets 3 beverages a day, 3 drinks a day.
Yay!
Yeah, we're about to go get that. And you get free breakfast here, so we'll show you that. So here's the king bed. The nightstands have a nice deep drawer on each side. And okay, this alarm clock comes with 2 USB ports and 2 outlets in it. So that's always a good thing. Let's see, does the other side? Okay. Oh, the other side has plenty of outlets too.
I already got mine plugged in.
I'm not charging mine. Okay. I gotta charge my stuff, but look at, that's really good. That you get USB, USB-C ports, I think what they call it, the 2 outlets. And you get 2 regular outlets here, and you get the nice deep drawer. Now, over here you get 3 very nice deep drawers. So if you're the kind of person, it's very deep, very deep. If you're the kind of person who likes to put your things in the drawers, there it is for you.
Yep.
We might do it. So that is the room so far. It's nice and fresh and new. So we like it. Now we're going to go back to the Magic Kingdom. So we'll get back with you in a little bit. Bye.
Sometimes I really like raspberry vinaigrette.
Do you?
Do you like it? If not,
I think I do like it. So we each got our little dinner snack meal, but it's a dinner to me, isn't it? And Chrissy's having fun dancing because it's so good. And we each got our drink. Thank goodness we got our drinks because it was 5 minutes till they were going to stop.
Yeah.
Wow. So we each got our mashed potatoes and gravy, and meatballs and vegetables and a salad. And there's also nachos and cheese and hot dogs or something.
Yeah, I might get a hot dog.
Hi.
Can I bother you? Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Can I ask you for your YouTube channel?
Oh, it's called Jess Having Fun. So my name is
Having Fun?
Jess, Jess,
Having Fun.
Havin Fun. Aw, thank you. That means the world to me.
I love watching
Subscribe, okay?
local.
Did you
local
see it?
YouTube channels.
Let me see. That's not. Wait. That is me. Oh, that is me. Yay! Thank you.
Got you.
So you have to watch it so you know that YouTube knows it's real.
All right.
See y'all.
Have a good one. Good dinner.
We had a good dinner here. It was good. So now we're going to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
Thanks. That was nice.
Yeah.
We brought my sister's car, so we took her car to all the Disney parks. But they do offer shuttle transportation, which comes and picks you up in front of the hotel to all 4 Disney parks and to Disney Springs. Besides the free kickback meals, you also have 2 nice dining options. First of all, they have Lakeside Bar and Grill, which serves appetizers, salads, sandwiches, wraps, other items from the kids' menus, and of course you can find a full-service bar here. And I just love this pool and the open view of Lake Buena Vista. It's overlooking Lake Buena Vista. It's so nice. I can't wait to come back here in the summer months and be able to spend time at this beautiful pool. And check out all the seating they have. This is going to be so nice in the spring and summer months to come back and take a break from the parks and enjoy this pool. And they also have something for the kiddos. They have this really cute splash pad. So your kids aren't left out either. Everybody can enjoy this pool area. Now let's head back into the hotel lobby where kitchen and bar is located. Here you can enjoy a casual indoor meal or a quick bite. They have handcrafted cocktails, carefully selected wines, spirits, and local craft beers. Now let's head into the marketplace. And this is where you'll find Starbucks coffee. That's right, Starbucks. Pizza from Pizza Hut Express. They also have beer and wine, grab-and-go food and beverage items, frozen novelties, sundries, and you can pick up a few gifts here. Complimentary coffee. Located on the other side of the hotel lobby is Level Up Arcade, and it's a pretty good size arcade. Let's see if they have my game though. Do they have Galaga? That is the question. Pac-Man and Galaga. Yes, thank you. All right, let's head back to the dining room for a nice hot breakfast. And you get so much for this breakfast. You get scrambled eggs, sausage, fresh fruit, oatmeal, biscuits and gravy. They are making pancakes, coffee, of course, and a good assortment of juices. And this hot breakfast is served daily from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. How is it? Is it delicious? Oh wait, that looks good. Why didn't I do that? I hope you enjoyed this tour of Disney Springs' newest hotel, the Drury Plaza Hotel. Oh, guess what, guys? There is no resort fee at this hotel, and I'm 99% sure that every other Disney Springs hotel has a resort fee. And if you enjoyed this and you'd like to see more hotel reviews and more theme park fun, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. I am just having fun. Bye, everyone. Bye. You too. See you next time. Yeah.